Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will be showing you how to use the QR code generator inside Lightburn and also show some simple projects to use it with. Some examples of these are Wi-Fi stands for people to scan and join your network, quick pay links and stands to show your socials on at stall or events you may be doing. Let's start by making a simple house shape for a Wi-Fi code to go on. This can be for guests to scan if they want to easily join your network. Draw out a rectangle by using the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Then we will use the polygon tool to make a triangle for the top. To change this shape into a triangle, we can use the Shape Properties panel to adjust the amount of sides we have. If you don't have this option on screen, you can find it at the top menu under Window. Once you have the panel open, just simply adjust the amount of sides you have to 3. Now select your triangle, stretch and size it to go on top of your rectangle to form a house. Align it so they are centered with the Align option from the top menu. Make sure they overlap slightly, then use the Weld option from the left toolbar. Now let's make another rectangle for the chimney. Place it on top, select both shapes, then use the Weld option to attach it to the house shape. Add any text you want to the design, choose a readable font, and be sure to leave room for the QR code. Once you are happy, we can add the QR code. To do this, go to the top menu, click Tools, and then select Create a Barcode. It may look like it hasn't done anything, but if we look closely we can see our mouse symbol has changed. Place your mouse where you want the code, click and drag out your desired size. As soon as you let go of your mouse, you will get a new window panel appear. Make sure your barcode is set to QR. Then in the text field enter your password for the Wi-Fi, or if it's for a social, put in the link. Yours may look different if you don't have the fill turned on. Center it all and it's done. You can add more bits like in my examples, but I will leave this one as it is. Let's make a social one. This can be used to display for customers at an event or in your shop. I will use a polygon in this one to show a different design. Write out your text. Keep it clear and simple. Next, let's take a look at the symbols we want. In this example, I used 2 socials and a website logo. I got the images from Google and just used the trace feature inside Lightburn to convert them. To trace an image, just right-click your mouse and select the trace option. I then repeated the same process for the other logos. Size each one, keeping them the same size will make the display look uniformed, then place them on your design. Next, we have to make each QR code individually. This is to link to each logo or site your customer may want to visit. Same as before, go to the top menu, click Tools, then select Create QR Code. Click and drag out your QR code, then enter your details. Once done, click OK and repeat the process for the rest of the logos. Once you have made all your codes, make any finishing touches, like centering and resizing. With everything in place, we now just need to make a quick base for our stand. To do this, select either the circle tool or rectangle tool depending on your taste and drag out a shape. Next, use the rectangle tool to make the slot the stand will sit in. The height will be for the material thickness, then the width for your stand size. Make sure you center the slot in your base. These are only just a small range of designs possible. Experiment and make your own unique ones. That's this video finished. Thanks for watching. If you have any requests on upcoming content, please leave a comment.